Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to the Dominoes 7 vlog, okay? All right. So, anyway, I want to talk about a hero 10-year-old rescued his mom from drowning in the pool, you know? So anyway, I watched this video clip on YouTube, Inside Edition of YouTube. It must have aired that on Inside Edition and I missed it, you know? Okay, surveillance video captures the moment the 10-year-old Gavin Keeney dives into the family pool to save his mom from drowning. Okay, his mother Lori Keeney was having an epileptic seizure at at the time Gavin saved her. You know, trying to read as carefully as possible. You know, okay, after diving into the pool, Gavin lifts his mom's face out of the water just like a trained lifeguard, you know. So I'm reading was what I'm reading here, you know. So anyway, so anyway, I want to say to Gavin Keeney, if you're watching this video, I'm proud of you. So I'm gonna give him a round of applause. This is for you. All right. Very good, Gavin. You know, I'm very proud of you to save your beautiful mom from drowning. Okay, watch the video of you. I'm very proud of you. You know, so uh, well, I hope I don't get a copyright thing. You know, I'm about to play this.
In Kingston, Oklahoma today. Has anyone ever taught you how to save somebody drowning? No. You saved your mom's life. He really did. Mom says she's amazed when she watches that video. You must be so proud of him. Proud isn't even enough of word for it. Now you see why this fifth grader is the toast of the town.
All right.
Gavin actually saved his mom.
Oh well, I must say I'm very proud of Gavin. You know. Okay. So anyway, God bless you, Gavin. Okay. You know what? I think he either gonna be a paramedic or a firefighter when he grows up. You know, he gonna be very successful. I guarantee y'all that, ladies and gentlemen. Cause you know, I spoke Sierra's marriage into existence, and guess what? I'm gonna speak Gavin's success into existence. Trust me, y'all. He will be successful in the future. You know, and he gonna probably get a college degree very early. You know, probably at the age of 16. Who knows? You know. All right. So to me, I think Gavin is gifted. You know, very gifted. You know. But me, I don't know how to swim. You know. I mean, I'm 37 years old and don't know how to swim. So bravo to Gavin. Okay, so I commented on Inside Edition a video, and I said I was gonna make a video about it. You know, so here I am now. Okay, all right, Gavin Keegan, I'm very proud of you. Okay, I hope you're watching me. Okay, all right. Thank everybody else for watching too. All right, God bless. All right, thank y'all. Bye bye.